Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to add fonts to Figma, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already added a text in our Figma. So first of all, when you add a design over that place in your application, you just need to be install a new font which is familiar with your design. So that for reason, or in this case, you just need to be open a new window. Once you open it, just download free fonts for website, and here you can download any font you want. It's totally up to you what kind of font you want, how you want to use your design. It's totally up to you and your plan. So I'm going to download this one. This is free for personal use. That for reason I'm going to download it. Once the download has been completed, I will visit here in my place and I will visit in downloads. When I go over here, I will make sure I will be install this one in my computer. So that for reason I need to be extract it into here, and I'm going to extract it. And as you can see, this is the demo, and you can, if you want to read it, you are allowed to read it. I don't need it to read it, that's why I am not going to read it. I just install it. Just click over here and always remember the font name. The font name is Spinning Punch Demo, and just click on install. Once you click over here, it will take a while and it will be downloaded or installed in your computer. Once you complete your download or install it, just go onto your Figma platform and then just click this, like open an untitled, and then click this one, and again it means restarting your Figma on your application again. Just click again on the untitled and then just select page 2 and select this font, and in here in the typography section you just need to find out the font, that name, which font did we download, what is the name, is Spinning Punch. So I'm going to copy this and then search it. As you can see, this is the font we already changed, and the process is really simple. I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. If you think this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day, and also you are allowed to ask me question in the comment box. If you want new video on any other topic, then just go and comment on the comment below, and don't forget to share with your friends. I hope you love this video. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.